Wait, look. Welcome to the driest warm desert on the globe, baby. And we're only just on the outskirts here. So lunch, that's the outhouse. Obviously all the water is brought in. Water truck. Now, I'm heading that way, and I just come out of this building over here for lunch, and I didn't realise how air conditioned it was in there, and out here it's steaming, and I've only got 2 litres of water on me, and it ain't going to be enough. Wait, my next stop before, so if I want to hit today's target, do the 120 k's, my next stop before that is Bikepacking, and that's still 50 k's away in this heat. I ain't got enough water. Anyway, I might have just got one more water. Awesome. Look at this place, man, it's my first time up here. It's fucking intimidating, really. Obviously it's unforgiving on machinery and there ain't no water, so I need to buy it and take it with me. Hey, I had a good lunch though in there, a couple of pork chops and a plate of rice. Anyway, one thing that's a little bit, the amount of plastic rubbish on the road between here and where I left the airport this morning. So if you've just caught up with me, haven't seen the videos before, I flew into Antofagasta last night, slept on the airport on the floor in my airbed, woke up this morning and left. And I've just come over through here, which was, so to get to here was about 45k, and there was about 5k of it was flat, and about the last 7k's downhill, so it was a big climb. But I got some climbing to do, so no complaining. So I'm going to chill out for another hour, I think. Let that lunch digest. Chile, man. Pero ¿dónde vas tú con el camión? ¿Dónde está eso?
La minería de Calama para arriba.
Ah, yeah. Sí, me voy a Calama para 2 días más en la bicicleta.
Habla bien español.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love